When the new year approaches, there's an undeniable sense of excitement and hope in the air. It's the perfect opportunity to breathe fresh energy into your home and create a space that reflects the optimism and intentions you want to carry into the coming year. Decorating your home to welcome the new year is about more than just aesthetics. It's a way to set the tone, embrace positivity, and invite good fortune. Let's talk about how this simple act can transform your environment and uplift your spirit. One of the most important reasons to decorate for the new year is the symbolism behind it. Your home becomes a reflection of your mindset and intentions. By making the effort to refresh and adorn your space, you're creating an atmosphere that welcomes new beginnings. Even small changes, like a splash of color or a few festive touches, can make a big difference. It's about clearing away the old energy and inviting in the new. Many cultures around the world have traditions centered on decorating the home for this exact purpose, believing it helps attract prosperity, happiness, and harmony. A beautifully decorated home also sets the stage for celebration. Whether you're hosting a gathering or enjoying a quiet evening with loved ones, a thoughtfully designed space adds to the festive vibe. Twinkling lights, elegant table settings, and fresh flowers can make everything feel special. Guests will appreciate the effort, and it creates memories that last well beyond the evening. Plus, decorating together can be a wonderful bonding experience with family and friends, a chance to laugh, get creative, and share hopes for the year ahead. There's something deeply therapeutic about the act of decorating. Taking the time to reorganize, clean, and beautify your surroundings is like a mental reset. It encourages mindfulness as you think about what you want to achieve and how your environment can support those goals. Consider introducing elements that symbolize what you're striving for: gold and silver accents for prosperity, candles for clarity, or even greenery to represent growth and vitality. These little details can serve as daily reminders of your resolutions. The living room is another key area to focus on. This space is usually the heart of any gathering, so think about adding a few touches that make it feel cozy yet festive. Soft throws, decorative pillows with shimmering details, or a centerpiece on the coffee table can create an inviting atmosphere. If you have a fireplace, drape garlands or string lights across the mantel for an extra touch of magic. Don't forget about scents. Candles with notes of cinnamon, vanilla, or pine can make your home smell as festive as it looks. For the dining area, a little effort can go a long way in making meals feel extraordinary. A table runner, elegant place settings, and a vase filled with fresh flowers or branches can instantly elevate the space. If you're planning a New Year's dinner, consider incorporating symbolic foods into your decor. Grapes, pomegranates, or round fruits, for example, are often associated with good luck. You can even write out small messages or wishes for each guest and place them on the table as a thoughtful surprise. Lighting plays a huge role in setting the mood. Soft, warm lights create an ambience that feels intimate and celebratory. String lights, candles, or even a few strategically placed lamps can completely transform your space. You don't need to go overboard. Sometimes, subtle touches are all it takes to create a magical atmosphere. Think about layering your lighting to highlight specific areas or decor pieces, drawing attention to what makes your home unique. Don't overlook personal touches when decorating. Incorporate items that hold meaning, like family photos, handmade crafts, or heirlooms that evoke happy memories. These pieces add character and make your home feel like an extension of who you are. It's also a wonderful time to display any artwork or projects you've been working on as a celebration of your creativity. As you decorate, remember to keep things practical and functional. Avoid cluttering your space, as this can feel overwhelming. Instead, choose a few key areas to focus on and let those shine. You can also repurpose items you already have. An old vase can be filled with fairy lights, or leftover ornaments from the holidays can become part of a centerpiece. The goal is to create a look that feels fresh and intentional without overcomplicating things. A well-decorated home doesn't just look good. It has real benefits for your mental and emotional well-being. Living in a space that feels welcoming and inspiring can boost your mood and productivity. It's like giving yourself permission to start the year with confidence and joy, even if you don't typically decorate for the new year. Trying it once might surprise you with how much it lifts your spirits. As the celebrations unfold, your home becomes a canvas for new memories. Every corner you've thoughtfully decorated contributes to the magic of the moment. Whether it's the gentle glow of candles, the shimmer of metallic accents, or the laughter of loved ones filling the room, your space transforms into a sanctuary of joy and connection. These decorations aren't just about appearances. They create an atmosphere where meaningful interactions can flourish. A decorated home also has the power to inspire those around you. Guests who step into your space feel the warmth and positivity you've cultivated, and it can encourage them to embrace their own traditions and intentions. It's a ripple effect of hope and celebration, spreading from one household to the next. In a way, your decorations become part of something much bigger, symbolizing collective optimism as everyone looks forward to a brighter year. As you transition into the new year, don't forget to carry the essence of your decorations beyond the physical. The care you've put into your space is a reflection of self-love and mindfulness. It's a reminder that your home is not just a place to live, but a foundation for your aspirations and happiness. Consider leaving a few elements up after the celebrations. Maybe a centerpiece that inspires you, or a string of lights that adds a touch of magic to your daily routine. These small touches can keep the spirit of the new year alive long after the countdown ends. If you find yourself short on time or resources, remember that even the simplest gestures can make a big impact. A handwritten note of gratitude placed on the dining table, a single flower in a vase, or a small bowl of bright fruits can all symbolize abundance and new beginnings. Decorating isn't about perfection, it's about intention. What matters most is that your efforts reflect the energy you want to invite into your life. As the days unfold, let your home continue to evolve as a source of inspiration. Rearrange a piece of furniture, bring in a plant, or update a corner to reflect your growth throughout the year. Your home should be a living space that grows with you, adapting to your changing needs and aspirations. Decorating for the new year is just the start of this journey, a symbolic first step toward creating the life you envision. The importance of decorating your home for the new year lies in its ability to turn an abstract concept, hope, renewal, celebration, into something tangible. Every light, ornament, and flower you add to your space is a physical manifestation of your intentions and dreams. It's a declaration to yourself and the universe that you're ready to embrace what's ahead. So, as you prepare for the new year, take a moment to appreciate the power of your surroundings. The home you decorate becomes the foundation for your goals and the backdrop for your memories. Let it inspire you, comfort you, and motivate you to welcome the year with open arms and a heart full of gratitude. When the clock strikes midnight, your beautifully decorated home will feel like the perfect backdrop for that special moment. It's a reminder that the new year is a chance to turn the page and write a new chapter. The environment you create reflects the energy you want to carry forward. So make it one of celebration, gratitude, and hope. As you look around your transformed space, you'll see the care and thought you've put into every detail. That effort becomes a celebration in itself, a declaration that you're ready for all the possibilities the new year has to offer. So take a moment to enjoy the process. Play some music, involve your loved ones, and have fun creating a space that feels uniquely yours. Let your decorations be a reflection of your goals, dreams, and aspirations, and let them inspire you every time you walk through the door.